let's witness the victory dance of our forefathers. May he come and take his time. Thank you so much. This is how our forefathers celebrate its victory. Now, next we have an entertainment. We have a handsome guy who knows all the sounds of animals, who imitates, who mimics the sounds of animals. So I welcome Wepute Weza to come and take his time. Thank you so much. I thought that was a unique talent.
That is.
And the Town Council, we're very grateful to be here again and to be enjoying your marvellous hospitality. We love Jessami. You are more civilised than we are, so don't feel embarrassed about what you're offering us here tonight because it's unique and we're very privileged to take part. We're very pleased to be in your lovely country. We're very pleased to be in Manipur. We're very pleased to be in the Naga Hills. As you've said, it has great historic significance for yourselves, for India, for us in the UK, and for the entire world, because great events happened here during the Second World War, and you were all part of it. So it's important that we remember it. It's very good that we're able to come back and enjoy this with you. We thank you for your hospitality. We are looking forward to our time tomorrow, and we enjoy seeing everyone here, all the children and the families, and we're looking forward to meeting you tomorrow as well as we spend time with you. So thank you very much indeed for tonight. Thank you for our accommodation. Thank you for our hot water. It's fabulous and we're very excited to be here. So thank you very much indeed.
Dr. Lyman has said most that I can say, but I'll reiterate it. For some of us, like myself and Yaithabar and Rob, we've been lucky to come here a few times now, and each time your hospitality is fantastic, and we're very grateful for the warmth that you give us and the time you go in preparing everything for us. This is always more than we need, but it's so special to have this each time we come. For some of the gentlemen here, it is their first time in Jessami. They only arrived this evening, but I know they're looking forward to exploring your village more tomorrow and on the day after as well. As Rob said, we are here to explore the history. It was a pivotal moment in the history of the world, indeed, the Battle of Jessami. A brutal time for the soldiers, but also for the people of Jessami who were not fighting and whose fault it was not that war came to these hills. So the next day and a half we are going to be thinking about the soldiers, but also your ancestors who lived here and who went through that time. So on behalf of the whole group, I say thank you very much again for having us. Thank you so much for the performers who are fantastic again, and we look forward to meeting. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you very much. It's fabulous. I wanted to thank. Oh, he's gone. The man, the mimic.
Oh, okay.
Where is he? He's gone. Oh, there he is.
He's around here.
Congratulations. How did you know how to make those voices? Wonder there are no birds in Nagaland because he's out there. He's the bird, he's the Naga bird.
Yeah, he's the Naga bird. He knows all the sounds.
Fabulous.
Animal sounds.
Thank you. He's very talented. You're all very talented. You're all very talented. Thank you.